Thadatil, for your nice comments. We have really come across a long journey. Now, this is the time for lightning. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mriturma Mritangamaya. It's our journey to the light. Vedas describe the universe to be composed of two things: Sat, that could be a particle, and Asat, that could be a wave. The dance of these two creates all living and non-living things of this universe. Going to light is understanding the rhythm of this dance. For us, it's the beginning of our nest. We will start our journey with the lighting of the lamps led by Dr. Rajagopala Chidambaram. He is the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India and the former Director of India's Primary Nuclear Research Facility, BARC. Dr. Chidambaram played a key role in 1974 peaceful nuclear explosion experiment at Pokhran and led the Department of Atomic Energy team in the Pokhran 2 tests in May 1998. To his credit, Dr. Chidambaram is the recipient of a number of awards and honors. Indian government acknowledged his contribution to the successful nuclear tests by awarding the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor of the nation, in 1975, and the Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian honor, in 1999. He is also the recipient of numerous awards from various universities and organizations. He has also served as a member, chairman, and president of a number of organizations, which among others include IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, the Material Research Society of India, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and the International Union of Crystallography. I would like to request Dr. Sunil Kaul to accompany all chair delegates to the lightning table and hand over the candle to Dr. Chidambaram to start the beginning of our ceremony. Thank you. You all pray. Nirvate tu jatha dipo jalasya samanta. We pray that we will be like that yogi who directs his mind as if light remains unmoved in absence of rest. I request Dr. Sunil to accompany all delegates back to the room. Now it is time to unveil the logo of our society. We had a competition all over Japan to find the most suited logo for our society, and Dr. Thadatil Pankajakshan was generous to offer best logo, a cash of 5,000 yen, to the winner. In a tough competition, the logo themed by Saino Hana Varghese from Saitama has been selected. I sincerely request our chief guest, Dr. Chidambaram, to unveil the logo.
Fantastic, very clever.
Thank you very much, sir. The theme of our logo is the pair of boats of India and Japan voyages through the ocean of time, driven by the wind of endeavor and aspirations. An orbiting atom sending a signal to the outer world is symbolic of the ultimate technological advancement arising from the conceptual fusion of these two societies. Now I would like to request our ceremony chair, Honorable Ambassador, His Excellency, to unveil the structure of the society and hand over the responsibilities with this symbolic frame to our society chairman, Dr. Sunil Kaul. First, I would like to introduce him. First, I would like to introduce His Excellency. Ambassador H.K. Singh has held the assignment of Country Officer for the US in 1980 to 81 Director for Pakistan, Iran, Afghanistan 1991 to 1992, and Joint Secretary for Western Europe 1992 to 1995. Ambassador Singh was Deputy Permanent Representative of India to the United Nations Office in Geneva 1995 to 1999, and Ambassador of India to Colombia with concurrent accreditation to Ecuador and Costa Rica. Prior to taking up his assignment in Japan, he was Ambassador of India to Indonesia with concurrent accreditation to East Timor. Now I would like to request Dr. Sunil to help me. Dr. Sunil, if you could come in front so that
This is a secret for all of us.
so His Excellency is unveiling the structure of the society, and I would like to read out the structure of the society to the august audience. Honorary patrons, Ambassador of India to Japan, President, Japanese Society for the Promotion of Sciences, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Advisory Council, Counselor, Science and Technology, Embassy of India, Japan. So His Excellency is giving the responsibility to our chairman to continue the society, and the executive body runs as follows. Our chairman is Dr. Sunil Kaul, Vice Chairman Dr. P. Shakti Kumar, another Vice Chairman is Dr. Alok Singh, General Secretary Dr. Anirban Bandyopadhyay, Assistant Secretary Ms. Ratna Krishnamurthy, Assistant Secretary and Chapter President Osaka Region Dr. Hari Srinivas, Editor-in-Chief Dr. Kedar N. Mahapatra, Associate Editor and Chapter President Sukuba Dr. Raghavan Gopalan, Treasurer Mr. Michael Chandy, Executive Body Member and Chapter President Tokyo Region Dr. Manish Biani, Executive Body Member and Chapter President Fukuoka Region Ms. Juma Wasa. Web page advisor is Mr. Pramod Karunalaya.